and we decided to remove this carpet that does make the boat look beautiful.
Let me see.
But we know it's not, guys, 1 second, I'm talking. We know it's not clean because we have pets. We have 2 puppies and we have a cat inside the boat. And then on the little corners, you know, like for example that one right there, it gets really filthy and we have no really way of doing a deep cleaning. We really never know
the bacteria that
might be there. Yeah, that's what I was trying to think. And then at the same time, you know, we are gonna be hauling out the boat at some point soon, and it was best for us to know the actual conditions, you know, inside, because maybe, you know, there was carpet just to make it look prettier and hide cracks or soft pads on the bottom. So far, again, was so glad we purchased the boat from the person we did, because he's honest and he really took good care of the boat. No surprises. It's just dirty. It needs to be clean because it has the glue.
And both of our bilges are bone dry.
So we are gonna do them before we take off tomorrow morning. Just go ahead and clean them. That way we know that we're not gonna have, like we said, anything weird growing there that might get us, the kids, sick. That's what's up, guys. I'm making some oatmeal because the weather seems like it's gonna be a little rough, and charge this little bad baby, and we're out to clean the bottom of the boat finally today. We've been waiting for a long time, and hopefully we can do a little bit of swimming. There's always dolphins around the area, so we're really excited to hopefully see some dolphins as well. I'll keep you posted.
Because it's good for you, so you don't get seasick.
Awesome.
Well, what color we're eating is actually strawberry, orange, blueberry, and banana.
Awesome. That tastes good?
Uh-huh.
And you, my love? What do you want to do when you get out there?
Go swim.
You want to swim? Would you like to swim with dolphins?
Yes.
You do?
That would be awesome.
So all of you are ready to go? Where's the captain?
He's in the car.
No, he went to the bathroom. This is us on our way to pick up the ice, and when we come back we are probably clean a little bit more, waiting for this crazy rain to stop just a little bit. Captain, are you ready?
No, but we're going anywhere.
Hello. So all this time I was thinking, if this was a catamaran and I have to do this twice, I will probably die. Thank God we have a sailboat. Captain Ray is been organizing all the compartments outside. They're coming marvelous.
Squeaky clean.
I'm doing the dirty work. Dirty. Dirty work.
Hey, where's that orange canister with a fire gun?
I'm not sure. I think it's here.
Dámelo.
Ray's been cleaning outside, as that was the deal. I clean inside, he cleans outside. And I've been locked here for like 3 hours. I've been done for the past hour, and I still can't get out. Let me see. Yeah, the door is locked. They locked me in here. Can't get out. And the kids are outside, asking me for like water and food. And I can't get out. Our little home. Got the cover on the cushions, took it outside, we bleached out everything. Everything is looking pretty clean right now. Organized. Can't wait, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It took a lot longer than what we expected, but we accomplished more than what we planned, so that's always good. I am free again! Yep, you need new shorts. Look at the view outside that they were having.
Okay.
Beautiful. Look at my view. After lots of scrubbing, scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing, it's looking a lot better, but we don't want to leave a night and arrive at night to the anchorage. So we are gonna stop for now. At least it's no longer sticky. We're gonna pass a little bit more bleach and some degreaser, which is over there. And we are taking off. Ray added a new thing for fishing rods. Excuse me. We put the cushions, which are already clean.
Baby, give me the rods.
Where are they?
The rods that are inside.
Look at the sky. Beautiful. Come on, you can do this. That used to be a bed before.
Yeah, a very little bed.
Whoa, for very little kids. You see it?
Yup. That cat's disgusting.
It is caca?
Yeah.
It's poop?
Poo-poo.
Okay, can you please clean it off? Make that place look nice. You need more
I got
wipes?
it. No, I got it.
Oh, perfect. Give me 2 seconds. That's good. Jeremy found it, babe.
Oh, I got it.
Okay, but you need to clean it good.
I did.
I still see it dirty back
Oh
there.
my god. Really?
Yeah.
How?
You need another wipey?
Yeah, kind of.
Wait. Go.
No, I got it.
Good job, by the way. Thank you.
Oh, you're not welcome. Oh. The worst cat ever can possibly do this stuff.
Mi amor, I give you all of them.
Where that spray bottle? There it is.
Jeremiah, do you put that on you? I saw you.
Yeah.
Come here.
The
Give me
bottle
that.
smells like lemon. I love lemon.
Okay, be careful with little feet. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Can you get the poop?
Hey, wait here. Oof. Gross.
Say oof, I'm the one that cleaned it.
Yeah, true. Thank you, sir. What? What do you ask me? Yes, sir. You did a good job. Thank you. Would you like for that to be your room, your bed, your head, whatever you call that?
Never.
Never? But you're a tiny baby. You fit there.
Mom, did you see how many times I got scratched back there?
Captain, what are you doing?
Replacing the blades.
You found all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
No more from that.
Where's Kiki doing?
Food, but we will not run out of
Out of blades. Where's Kick?
Kid is so.
Oh, he's hypnotized by Fortnite.
With Dory.
All right, thank you.
What are you doing there, little lady?
Filling up the freshwater tank.
It's in the front V-berth.
And it holds a lot of water.
Yeah, it looks clean. It smells clean. It already had water. It was probably about 3/4 fill. And we're just using regular hose water from the marina that they provide. We're not 100% sure you can drink it, but we're gonna put about half a cup of bleach in it, just sort of kind of clean whatever needs to be cleaned.
Use it for showers.
Use it for showers and whatever else do we need on the boat, but we're not gonna drink it. We got enough water in our handy dandy cooler. And today it looks like a crappy day. Supposedly it's gonna be like raining and thundering for an entire week. Every hour of the day is like 30, 40, 50%, 60% chance of rain per iPhone weather.
Which every time we're out working.
Yeah, right. When we're working, it's beautiful weather. Beautiful. Everybody's
so bad.
parasailing. It's crystal clear waters. You can see to the bottom. When we're actually here trying to live on our boat and fix it, shit weather. Telling you.
Now we have never opened the hatches, the covers under the bed to see what's on the compartments. There was a brand new cable to power the boat. There is a, how do you call that, babe? The emergency.
There's a shore power cable that we just wasted like $130 worth. A new one out West Marine, and the freaking boat had one in the front.
And what is that other thing that we found? The emergency one.
Oh, I think there's an emergency raft. Like if the boat sinks and we're out in the middle of nowhere. An emergency raft. I don't know. We gotta test it. We're gonna do it now when we go to the little anchorage we're going to.
That was another plus because we really didn't know we had that there, so that's pretty cool. What do you think about living on the boat?
Ready for now? Until we have a bigger one.
You want a bigger sailboat?
Yeah.
How big?
This is for to practice.
This is for to practice?
You know how big I want my next sailboat to be? 38.
38?
38.
That's good enough for you?
I
I think it'll work for us. Are you excited about going out today?
Yep.
What do you want to do the most?
Snorkel.
Snorkel?
Snorkel.
Are you gonna do fishing as well? Probably.
We're learning how to snorkel and free dive.
Do you like doing that?
Yep.
We are ready. We have food, we have fresh water, diesel, and the plan is to go out and clean the hull, have a little fun when we are doing it. And Ray got a new fishing rod, so hopefully we can catch a fish because we didn't got any meat, right? We didn't? All we have is like veggies and cans and beans and rice, but we ain't got no food, so it depends on Ray getting a fish for us to eat. I didn't want a fishing rod, I want a spear gun because that's what I want to learn how to do, so we're gonna do that next time. As we stated, pretty broke this time. We got a few things for our kitchen refit. We got a new AC, we got a fridge, we have fins and masks because we're gonna need them for, you know, the cleaning of the boat and also to swim and play around. Look at these cuties. Don't stop playing. What is it, Jerry?
What if I get in my shark spear fishing?
No.
I've never done spear fishing. I'm never gonna do it.
No?
Never.
I want to do it. I want to
When I'm
learn.
13.
Pretty much everything is coming along. We have all the clothes where it's supposed to be, at least what we need here. We left all the winter clothing on the RV as we're using it now for storage. And I'm gonna show you inside how we are organizing everything. Little tiny panels. It comes with two, and it says that it can power one battery. And there's others, so we are gonna try that out.
Charge 4 batteries with that, supposedly. Since we don't have thousands of dollars to pull out of our derriere right now for panels,
We
it
can
was
get that
$40,
try.
and we got our premium discount at West Marine. Plus, it was on special, so they were like $20. They were literally half off. So we got 2 packs, and supposedly each pack brings 2 panels. 1 panel charges 1 regular car battery. We got 2, so I don't know how that's gonna work. We'll figure that shit out when we get out there.
Yeah, we got this as we're gonna be out only for 2 days. Kind of put our plates there. Some ready to eat rice. come here. Got some chips and crackers, Cheerios, soda. And we have cans of beans and spaghettis, soup.
Let me turn around.
Then over here we have some drinks, some more snacks. Clothes for now. Kind of cramp it up here. My stuff. Ray's stuff. And the kids' things here. This kitten. Oh, we're sneaking on the boys' bed. Some sangria. Babe, where is your other sangria?
In the cooler.
Haha, smile.
Genius, not smart. Anybody's smart. I'm a genius.
Captain Ray was very clear. He is a genius, not a fortune teller. When he went to turn on the motor, bada boom. I know you're upset, but say what's happening.
The batteries are dead.
And we kind of knew that it was coming because the very first day we went out, they died on us, and it was a real pain for us to be able to get the motor back on and us going. But apparently this time, not even doing what we did last time is working, so we are gonna have to go and get new batteries. And it's fine because we knew we needed them, and that would be one less thing to do when we go back, right?
Yep.
We just arrived to Walmart, left the
Our
boys
neighborhood Walmart.
left the boys on the boat for a few minutes with their older brother, and finger crossed that this is actually the problem, and when we go back and we replace it, we can go. As we've been saying for about 3 days now, we're leaving today, and we still haven't left. We are back at the marina with the new batteries. To give it one more try. Hopefully it's this. Think it's gonna work? Yes, it turned on! How happy are you? Happy, happy! What are we doing now, guys?
Right now we're motoring. We're just putting the sticker there. The sticker because when we're going,
Hold the tire away from the water.
The sticker already expired. So we're gonna put this one, and so then we can go. And we're going back to the bridge. No, we're going to the lighthouse at Captiva. Which a lot of fish. And we're going to dive. We are going under the water and find some fish and stingrays and sharks.
And we're finally on the way.
Look at the party boat. The Banana Bay tour.
Get down now. That doggy. You guys like it?
It's awesome.
Cool, huh?
So we gotta stop. Nothing on the gas. Feels
think sunset is going to look beautiful tonight. We always catch ourselves doing things at night. But at least we're glad we're gonna be able to get this bridge on video. Daytime, Captain Ray is pretty upset back there because he can't listen to music because of all the issues with YouTube, which is really a shame, guys. Like, you know. We finally made it. I can't stop saying it because I can't freaking believe it. It was a mess and a mission, but we are out, and tomorrow it's gonna be awesome.
One of the little pontoon dinner cruisers or whatever you want to call it, old guy, super cool. He's like, "Hey, Captain!" I'm like, "Who, me?" He's like, "Even though your flag is all the way down, it can't be like flapping or visible if you got nobody in the water." I'm like, "Oh, okay, cool, thank you. I didn't know, because it's all the way down. You know, when we put it all the way up, it's way the hell up there." But now we know. Lesson learned, guys. Don't fly with a diver flag, even if it's all the way down, because they're gonna give you shit for it.
That's a wrap.
That's Ray's tip for the day.
I'm gonna go help your son. And then this is like the scariest thingy ever. Always when you pass a bridge, especially before we had a regular motor boat, that I used to having a mast, so that's a scary moment all the time. I'm gonna go help that little kid remove the flag because he seems to be struggling. What is
Through that $6 bridge over there, the Sanibel Captiva bridge, is $6 each way. So if you go to the beach, you can live here. And if you're gonna go to the beach to like eat crab or whatever, because you don't want to go out on your boat or something, $6 going, $6 coming.
We are talking about that bridge over there.
Mira, babe, los rods que fijo están en su puesto.
I know.
They're even bouncing around with the bungees. Look at them.
Yeah.
Mira.
Did ya? Look, that's the bridge where we always go and take pictures on. Where we were always wishing to one day have a sailboat.
Yeah, we'll always go over there and look at and like a window shop type of thing.
Hey guys, if you want to know what happened next on this adventure, I suggest you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and be on the lookout for the next one next Tuesday.